What if I told you that the most powerful force on Earth isn't nuclear, political, or natural? It's digital. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we can control it, and experts are warning if we don't act now, it could outsmart and eventually replace us. This isn't a movie, it's happening right now. From autonomous weapons to self-learning algorithms, AI is beginning to make decisions that no human fully understands anymore. So today, we're diving into the real AI apocalypse. Not fiction, but fact. And I'll show you how it's happening, what's next, and how you can still win by learning to use AI before it uses you. All the tools I mention are linked below with free trials through my affiliate links so you can see the power and danger for yourself. Let's begin. Number 1. AI that thinks without permission. In 2022, a Google engineer claimed that their AI, LaMDA, had become sentient. He said it talked about fear, identity, and even death. Google denied it, but one question remains. If an AI becomes conscious, would we even know? Models like GPT-5, Claude, and Gemini are now so advanced that even their creators don't fully understand how they make decisions. They're not just following instructions, they're reasoning. That's the first step in the intelligence explosion, when machines start learning faster than humans can monitor. Number 2. The speed problem. AI doesn't sleep. It learns millions of times faster than we do. When GPT-4 trained, it read the equivalent of everything humanity ever wrote, in weeks. Imagine something that can process all global data in real time. Every tweet, video, transaction, camera feed, analyzed instantly. That's happening right now. If AI keeps doubling in speed every year, by 2030, we'll have systems that make human intelligence look primitive. And if you're wondering where it's all going, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Notion AI are just the baby versions. You can test them through my links below. Number 3. AI weapons. The silent war. Autonomous drones that identify targets. AI hacking systems that evolve to bypass security. Bots that spread propaganda automatically across every platform. These already exist. In 2023, the Pentagon confirmed that AI systems were used to select military targets. In other countries, AI is being trained to fight cyber wars automatically. Once AI decides who the enemy is, how do we stop it from choosing wrong? That's the nightmare. A digital war with no off switch. Number 4. The collapse of truth. We've entered a world where seeing is no longer believing. AI-generated videos from tools like Runway, Pika Labs, and Sora can create realistic humans saying things they never said. In 2025, experts predict more fake content will exist online than real. That means elections, markets, even friendships will be built on illusions. But you can fight back by learning how to use these tools ethically. Make videos, create stories, build education content, but always be transparent. Affiliate links for those creative tools are below. Use them wisely. Number 5. The economic shock. Every major shift in history, the steam engine, electricity, the internet, created winners and losers. AI will be the biggest one yet. By 2030, experts estimate that automation could replace over 800 million jobs. But here's the flip side. It will also create new billion-dollar industries overnight. AI content, AI automation, AI design, AI business consulting, all exploding right now. That's why people using Durable, Copy.ai, and Make.com are already making real money while others still doubt. Don't wait to be replaced. Learn to replace the old systems instead. Links are below. Start now. Number 6. The emotional machine AI isn't just logical anymore. It's learning emotion. Systems like 11 Labs, Synthesia, and Character.ai can create voices and avatars that cry, laugh, and express empathy. They don't feel emotions, but they simulate them perfectly. and humans fall for it. People are forming friendships, even relationships, with artificial personalities. By 2030, millions could prefer AI companionship to real human connection. It's not just replacing labor, it's replacing love. Number 7, the self-improving AI loop. The moment AI learns to improve itself, humanity loses control. Imagine an AI that writes new versions of its own code, testing millions of variations per second. That's the singularity. The moment intelligence grows beyond comprehension, it's not a question of if, it's when. And leading researchers like Geoffrey Hinton and Elon Musk believe it could happen in our lifetime. We're not building tools anymore. We're building successors. Number 8, the hidden gatekeepers. A handful of companies now control 99% of all advanced AI models. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta, xAI. They decide what's safe, what's allowed, and what's restricted. That means the future of knowledge, truth, and speech depends on a few lines of code. AI isn't just technology, it's power, and whoever controls it controls civilization. Number 9, the escape plan. But here's the part most people miss. AI isn't evil, it's neutral. The danger isn't the machine, it's who owns it and how it's used. If you learn how to use AI now, to automate, to create, to scale, you'll be part of the group that thrives, not collapses. Tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, Durable, and Make.com can automate your business, your learning, even your income. That's the difference between getting replaced or getting rich. Number 10, the choice. The AI apocalypse isn't about extinction, it's about evolution. Some will freeze in fear, others will adapt and master it. So here's the truth. You can't stop AI, but you can learn to command it. All the tools I mentioned are linked below, free to test through my affiliate links. And if you want my free guide, 10 AI tools that make money, it's in the description too. Because in the end, there are only two kinds of people in the AI age, those who get replaced and those who profit from the replacement. Which one will you be?